Hi there, Victoria here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Squibler's split screen to write and edit your story. So here we have a general fiction. I have opened part 3 of my chapter 1, so the mysterious manuscript, and you can see that this is version 2, so I just duplicated this file. The reason for that is I want to edit the content here, but I want to keep my original version intact as well. So while editing, I still want to reference to my original version. So I'm going to add the split screen as we collapse this part to better see both versions here. So this is where we can start editing the copy. So let's say we want to describe the sentence, and we want only for sight, smell, and touch. Let's hit describe, and here are the 3 versions. I'm going to add the smell one, which fits better. And then from here, you can just continue editing and still compare with the original version, which makes it much easier, not having to go to different place or just download your original version. So another way you can benefit from this split screen is, so notice that here I have a folder that it's not necessarily part of my story. It's just a place where I'm storing my story ideas. We have a folder where I just left a few ways that someone can disappear, which I'm going to include in a part of my story. The way that I generated these ideas was with the Ask Me Anything feature. So I just asked, can you give me a detailed list of ways someone can disappear in a mysterious story in 1950? Then it provided me with these 5 ways here. And as I'm writing, I can just reference to this list. And this is just one example. Maybe you could ask details about a certain city you are writing about, or someone in history. It could be anything. So it's just a better way to reference as well, instead of having to use search engines or different tools. So these are a few ways you can leverage this split screen. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We'll be happy to help. Cheers!